Today I'm going to be making turkey chili in the slow cooker. And the first step is I'm going to add a pound of ground turkey to my slow cooker. And I'm going to brown it. Now, if your slow cooker doesn't brown, then just brown the meat in a pan and then add it to your slow cooker. Now, while that's browning, I'm going to start preparing my peppers and onions. I'm just trying to break up the pieces as it browns so that they're small. So my turkey is all browned, and I've broken it up into smaller pieces. And so now what I'm going to do is add a packet of chili seasoning. It's a low sodium one. What I want to do is just give the turkey a good stir to make sure it covers it. Then I'm going to add in 3 chopped bell peppers. Give that a good stir. Now I'm going to add in 2 chopped onions. And I'm going to give that a good stir as well. I'm making this in a slow cooker today, but you can just do this in a stock pot on the stove. Either way, whatever you prefer, it will come out great, and you can follow the same directions. Okay, now let's add 3 cans 15-ounce each of red kidney beans. I do not drain them, I just dump it all in. Stir everything together. Add a 28-ounce can of tomato sauce. And I'm just adding a little bit of water to get the rest of that out. It's been 7 hours and the chili is finished. As you can see, it looks beautiful and hearty. So I'm going to serve this over white rice. And that's it. Serve the turkey chili over white rice and enjoy. See you next time.